Hey guys, Justin with Palmetto State Armory. We're here at SHOT Show 2026, and I'm going to be running you guys through the new AXR handgun line. So we're going to start down here. The AXR series is introducing our new modular fire control unit. For you guys, all that means is that the serial number is going to be following your trigger assembly. So you can bounce that trigger assembly between different frames, and through that you can accomplish different magazine sizes, different styles, metal frames to polymer frames, anything you want to do without changing the serial number and needing another 4473. Right here I have the Micro line. This is the only one that's not going to work in the others. It works with our Micro Dagger magazines. They're 15-round magazines versus the traditional Glock 43X style magazines that are just 10 rounds. It's also going to introduce our new comp slides. But these are compatible with the Micro Dagger slides that we already make, and they have an RMSc cut footprint. Where things get really exciting is when we move into the compact and the full-size handguns. These are running 15-round Glock-style magazines, and it has its own fire control, modular fire control unit that you can bounce between. This is my example of my 15-round grip. All these are going to come with the AXR stippling, the magwell upgraded trigger, and then you'll have an RMR-cut AXR slide. So this slide is going to stay the same throughout our next three models. So this is a 15-round grip. Next up is going to be our 17-round Glock-compatible grip. Same feature set, same stippling, all that good stuff. And like I said before, same serial number, so same 4473. Where things get really exciting is this one. So this is our new FS320. This is a modular fire control on a SIG P320 compatible frame, so you can use SIG 320 magazines, but it has Gen 3 slide up top. So any Gen 3 Glock slide will work. It'll ship with our AXR slide, but it still uses that same modular fire control unit. So if you have Glock and SIG mags, you could bounce those between while using the same slide. So it's going to be a really great solution for a lot of people. And good thing about these is we're partnering with Icarus, so we'll have metal frames available at launch as well.